Hello, this is the first question of exercise 1.1. We have to find the HCF of 135 and 225 using equivalent division algorithm. In the last video, we discussed what is equivalent division algorithm. We will just use that here. So what is equivalent division? By equivalent division algorithm, A is equal to BQ plus R. R is less than B, greater than or equal to 0. We have to find the HCF of these numbers with the help of equivalent division lemma. So our first question is 135 and 225. Now 135 is less than 225. So this is our dividend, this is our divisor. We will find the HCF of this with the help of equivalent division lemma. In equivalent division lemma, we divide it by simple steps. Now first step is we divide this like this: 135, 135, 5 minus 5 is 0, 22 minus 13 is 9. Okay, so now we represent this here by equivalent division lemma. A is our dividend, that is 225. 135 is B, that is our divisor. Q is our quotient, that is 1. Remainder is 90 plus 90. Okay, now we will divide it further until we didn't get the HCF, or we will find the remainder as a 0. Okay, so now in the next step we will divide it further. In this next step, this our divisor becomes our dividend. This is 135 and this 135 is now our dividend, and our remainder becomes our divisor, and we will divide this number by 90 or by this. Okay, 90. Now again 1, 91 ja 90, and we will get some remainder. That remainder is 45. Now we can write this with the help of equivalent division lemma. What is equivalent division lemma? In this A, and we dividend is 135 equals to divisor is 90, quotient is 1 plus remainder is 45. So we write this here as equivalent division lemma. Now our next step, in the next step we didn't get 0, so we will divide it further. Now this 90 becomes our dividend, this 90 becomes our dividend, and 45 is our divisor. This remainder becomes our divisor. Okay, so 45 to ja 90, 0. So this is our last division, because we get the 0 as a remainder. So this is our last division. Now we will write it here first as equivalent division lemma. What it says: 90 dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. As I told you in the last video, what equivalent division lemma says, the last divisor we get is the HCF. The last divisor we get is the HCF of our two numbers, our two positive integers, that is 135 and 225. So the HCF of 135 and 225 is 45. Okay, yeah, thank you for watching.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to my website www.hometuitionlive.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.